our 9th set of 5, so that's 40. Now we're at 95, putting them in groups of 5. Going on like this. So yeah. Currently at 125. Started doing 10 at a time. I'm trying to center them. Okay, yeah, no. That's not gonna work. Try to start here. Well, let's go that way. Try top. Oh, they're coming off. Yeah, okay. Let's not do this again. We're still at 145. They just fell off. We took a few off because they started falling off. Yeah, but and now we're trying to get them back in the center. We're only at 9 minutes. Oh, wow. Okay. But we have a lot on. So. Yeah, but I mean, I feel like it's getting pressure on it. So we were running out of rubber bands, and then we're just gonna have to wait. I told my mom to get like 300.
Now it's the waiting game.
And now we're just waiting.
Now the waiting.
So we moved the watermelon over here. So we've hit only 15 minutes, and we can't put any more on, but she's gonna look for some. It'll be like another hour. So we're at 205. No.
Guys, make piles of 5. Yeah.
We're at 45 minutes, and it's starting to break. 265. Okay.
Is it starting to crack from the top or the bottom at all?
No. We're almost at an hour. 334. We're at 334. We're doing it in twos now. So we're about to hit 400. 400! Yay!
How much warning? Because the juices are coming from it. That makes
Okay.
Because the juices are coming from it, it means that you are close.
408.
Back away.
We're gonna try to get to 420.
I just felt water.
Like spraying. Yeah, it's like squirting out. It is water all over it. 420.
Oh, it's cracking, I think. Where? Right here?
Right here.
Right there!
Right there.
It's cracking! It's cracking, it's cracking.
I don't want to get
I
caught.
can't
get. So this is what's left over.